You enjoy learning English, don't you? Today you're going to learn how to use question tags. Question tags are short questions that we use at the end of statements. For example,
Unicorns are nice, aren't they? It's not your fault, is it? You told them, didn't you?
question tags turn statements into questions. We use them when we want our listener to confirm that what we're saying is true. When you form question tags, you have to remember two rules. Positive statements are followed by negative question tags, and negative statements are followed by positive question tags. Here are some examples.
He's a magician, isn't he? You've seen this film before, haven't you? I'm your daughter, aren't I? Eating dog food is not a good idea, is it? Nobody liked my cucumber cake, did they? You won't forget my birthday this time, will you? Visit my Etsy shop for more exercises. Link in description.
So now you know that question tags are short questions at the end of statements, such as will she, aren't I, doesn't he? But how do we know what verbs we should use in question tags? The answer is auxiliary verbs. If there's an auxiliary verb in the statement, we use the same auxiliary verb to form the question tag.
It was snowing, wasn't it? I believe we've met before, haven't we? They didn't tell you, did they?
But sometimes there is no auxiliary verb in the statement. For example,
You exercise a lot. Romeo loved Juliet. Lily loves her job.
if that's the case and you're not sure what verbs to use in question tags, turn those statements into questions. The verb you start the question with is your question tag verb.
You exercise a lot, don't you? Romeo loved Juliet, didn't he? Lily loves her job, doesn't she? If the verb in the statement is to be, it's very easy because we use the same verb to form the question tag. She is always late, isn't she? Sorry, I was obnoxious, wasn't I? You aren't very happy, are you?
Now, be careful with the verb am, as in I am. The positive question tag is am I, as in I'm not very patient, am I? But the negative question tag is aren't I, as in I'm funny, aren't I? As I've mentioned before, we use question tags when we want our listener to confirm that what we're saying is true. If we know the answer to our question, the intonation in the question tag is falling. For example,
You're dating him, aren't you? Amy didn't like my present, did she?
if we don't know the answer to our question, the intonation in the question tag is rising.
She's 18, isn't she? They were happy, weren't they?
And now let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!